Hey everyone, so it's been a while. I've got some new treats for the MR2. And it's getting in tune as we speak. It should be done tomorrow. But today I got some awesome goodies from MR2's Are Us. MR2's Are Us. The Jon0 short shift and drop plate. So I'm going to be installing that one today. I'm going to keep this video quick and punchy, so let's go. One issue that I've found with having a bright seat, there is a screw right there that I need to get to. So I need to somehow put a screwdriver up there. Alright, so a while later, I finally got that bit off. Had to undo those screws at the back, those in the middle, that annoying one there, that one there, some up the front. So first one we'll do is that one. That's it. So from my understanding, this is essentially just a plate that moves it up. Maybe 2-3 centimeters thereabouts. And it's meant to go in a certain direction so it can't move backwards and forwards. So we pushed hard up against that. Cool. It's a nylock. So if it does come loose, there isn't really any room for it to go backwards or forwards. It's good. Oh, that's a lot better. That is what this car should come with stock. That's really good. So now I'm going to put in the drop plate, and later on I've actually ordered some 3-inch extensions, so I'm going to reduce the throw so it's a little bit less, then extend it up just so it's about the same throw but it's higher, so I won't rest my arm on the middle of the car, and it'll be close to the steering wheel, so less time not in gear. So it's a drop plate. It's meant to go in between I believe these two pieces, pretty sure, just so it lowers it down. And some bolts and washers to go along with it. Now I've got to undo those four and put this plate in between it. This should slide out if we installed the Jon0 short shift after. Alright. So this goes first, that goes second. Alright, there we have it. It's all out. And put the plate in, and my battery's gone flat. Great. Alright, so that's finally back together with the drop plate in. And now I'll reinstall the Jon0 short shift. There you go, see it's kind of jammed up right against it. And likewise on the other side there. So that's what's keeping it in. Alright, so everything's back together. And yeah, get quite a little bit less throw. Not heaps, but enough. Enough to notice. It's pretty good. I would rate this about 10 out of 10 as far as a good mod to do. It's not too extreme, but it's good. Doing it in a bride seat is so fucking uncomfortable. Just sit in the passenger seat. I did that halfway and it was much better. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, let me know what you thought of it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.